Hello friends, today we will discuss how to format string in Python. So let's write how to format string in Python. So friends, there are two methods to format a string in Python. The first one we will discuss is using format function. And the second one is using fstring method. So friends, first we will start with using format function. So friends, format function is the inbuilt function in a Python. So inbuilt function. So let's start with the format function. We will take a simple example. Let's see it as example 1. Here I will declare in two variables. As first variable is name. Let's say name is equals to anything like suppose Rohit, and age for Rohit is equals to, let's say, 22. And for to watch the output, so let's print this should be the string, so I will give it in the quotes. So friends, here curly braces plays important role, which we will discuss. And then after writing this string, we will use the function as a format. So let's print dot format, and then we will take two. Now we will pass this name and age as the argument for the format function. There are two arguments, like let's say name and age. So let's see friends, what will be the output for this. Let's save the work and let's run. As you can see, here is our output, where in place of first curly braces there is Rohit, and in second place there is a 22. As we have taken the two arguments, name is for first curly brace and age is for second curly brace. So name is a variable and its store value is string Rohit, so it comes in place of first curly brace, as you can see. And for age there is 22 and it comes in place of second curly brace. So in this way our first example works. Now we will see second example. Let's say it as example 2. First I will comment out all these. Now we'll see example 2. Suppose let's take a variable as txt, which equals to some string as I have curly braces. Inside curly braces we will write some text like here friends, we can use format function for a rounding of a number also. So from this example we will learn it. So I have declared a function, variable as this thing, and now we will print output. Let's print txt, which is which means this example variable, and then dot. See friends, here is the syntax is same for both the cases, only we have used this text as our string. As in first case we have directly string in print function. Here it same work is done by text. So after text we'll write format and then function. Here in first case we have for our first curly brace there is name, and second curly brace there is age argument. but here we have only one curly brace. So for this we will write n is equals to 4. It means in place of this n we will write 4, and it is for 2 decimal points. Let's say what will be the output for this. Let's save it and run. So friends, we have output as I have is same as first, and for curly braces there we have write as 4, n is equals to 4 up to 2 decimal point, like dot 2f. So there is we have output as 4.00 rupees. If I write here up to 3 decimal point, our output will change as 4.000. So in this way we will round off a number in Python using format function also. So now friends, there is a second method to format a string in Python. Let's see it. Let's comment out first this. The second method is using fstring method. So write fstring method. We will see this using one example, but before it, fstring comes in Python after 3.6 version only, like Python 3.6 version. It is provided in this version. All the versions after 3.6. This is new modified form of formatting strings in Python. So let's take example as same in previous cases. Let's declare a variable as a name is equals to same as Rohit, first one, and age will equals to 22. And to print this name variables, let's write fstring as a print. This is a syntax for fstring. So here f and then curly braces. Here f means formatting, friends, which we will use in fstrings before the codes. So write a string as same in previous case, and then curly braces as 2 curly braces. In first curly braces we have to write this name, so we will take this variable in place of first curly braces inside first curly brace as name, and in second curly brace we required age, so we will write age as variable. So let's save and see the output. So friends, here is output. It's the same in previous case. So we have to only, this is a modified version for fstring, formatting fstring. So we have to only write f, and after that it will considered as fstring, and after that we will write in underscore under quotes our string, and in place of curly braces we will write name, our variables which we have to require in that particular curly braces in place of that particular curly braces. So our output is in place of name there is Rohit, and in place of age there is 22 comes. So here is our output. So in this way we can format a string Python using a format function and fstring method. So thank you friends for watching this video.